Jack moves to a new city for university. He feels scared and lonely at first. Everything is different from his hometown. The buildings are taller and there are more cars. Jack rents a small apartment near the campus. The apartment has one bedroom and a tiny kitchen. He unpacks his clothes and books slowly. His mother calls him every evening. She asks if he is eating well. Jack explores the neighborhood each day. He finds a grocery store 2 blocks away. The cashier is a friendly woman named Maria. She helps him find what he needs. Jack also discovers a small library. The librarian shows him where the study rooms are. At university, Jack meets his roommate Tom. Tom has lived in the city for 2 years. He shows Jack the best places to eat. They go to a pizza restaurant together. The pizza is delicious and cheap. Jack starts to feel more comfortable. He joins a basketball team at school. The other players welcome him warmly. After 1 month, Jack has many new friends. He calls his mother with good news. The new city is becoming his home.
Today is my first day at work. I am very nervous but excited. My name is Sarah, and I am 22 years old. I work at a small cafe in the city center. The cafe smells like fresh coffee and warm bread. My boss is Mrs. Johnson. She is kind and patient with me. She shows me how to make coffee. First, I grind the coffee beans. The machine is loud but easy to use. Then I add hot water slowly. The coffee smells wonderful. My first customer is an old man. He orders a black coffee and a muffin. I'm careful not to spill anything. He smiles and says thank you. I feel proud of myself. During lunch break, I eat a sandwich. The other workers are friendly to me. They tell me stories about the cafe. In the afternoon, more customers come. I learn to work faster. Others want pastries and cakes. By evening, I am tired but happy. Mrs. Johnson says I did well today. I walk home with a big smile. Tomorrow I will work again. I think I will love this job.
Maya wants to learn how to cook. She lives alone and eats takeout every day. This is expensive and not very healthy. Her grandmother offers to teach her. Every Sunday, Maya visits her grandmother's house. The kitchen is warm and full of wonderful smells. Her grandmother is an excellent cook. She has been cooking for 50 years. Today they will make chicken soup. First, they wash the vegetables carefully. Maya cuts onions and starts to cry. Her grandmother laughs and gives her tissues. They put the chicken in a large pot. The water begins to boil slowly. Maya adds salt and pepper. Her grandmother tastes the soup often. She says cooking requires patience and love. Maya stirs the soup gently. After 2 hours, the soup is ready. It smells amazing and tastes even better. Maya feels proud of her first homemade meal. She takes some soup home in containers. During the week, Maya practices cooking simple dishes. She makes scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. Each meal gets easier to prepare. Maya calls her grandmother to share her progress. Soon, she can cook many different foods. Emma finds a small cat in her garden. The cat is orange and white. It looks hungry and scared. Emma gives it some milk and bread. The cat eats quickly and purrs softly. Emma looks for the cat's owner. She puts up posters around the neighborhood. The posters have a photo of the cat. She also posts on social media. Many people share her post online. Days pass, but nobody calls about the cat. Emma takes the cat to a veterinarian. There is no microchip to identify the owner. Emma decides to keep the cat temporarily. She buys cat food and a litter box. The cat seems happy in Emma's house. It sleeps on the sofa and plays with toys. Emma names the cat Sunny because of its color. After 2 weeks, an old woman calls Emma. She saw the poster at the grocery store. The woman lost her cat 3 weeks ago. She comes to Emma's house immediately. When she sees Sunny, she starts to cry. Sunny runs to the woman and meows loudly. Emma feels sad, but happy at the same time. The real owner thanks Emma many times. Emma visits Sunny sometimes at his real home. Ben and Lisa decide to spend the weekend at the beach. They pack their car with everything they need. Lisa brings sunscreen and beach towels. Ben packs a cooler with food and drinks. The drive takes 2 hours through beautiful countryside. They arrive at the beach in the morning. The sand is warm under their feet. The ocean is blue and calm today. They find a good spot near the water. Lisa spreads out a large blanket. Ben sets up a beach umbrella for shade. The sun is very strong today. Lisa applies sunscreen to her arms and face. Ben goes swimming in the cool water. The waves are small and gentle. Lisa builds a sandcastle with her hands. Some children come to help her. They work together for an hour. The sandcastle has towers and walls. In the afternoon, they eat sandwiches and fruit. Seagulls try to steal their food. Ben throws pieces of bread to the birds. Later, they walk along the shoreline. They collect pretty shells and smooth stones. The sunset is orange and pink. Many people take photos of the beautiful sky. Ben and Lisa feel relaxed and happy. They decide to come back next month.